Hello dear students, how are you? Today in this class we will learn about factors. Okay. So in the chapter Be My Multiple, I will be your factor. Today we will learn about factors. What is factor? Okay. For this let's take an example. Here are 16 balls. Okay. Let's see in how many ways we can divide these 16 balls. हम इन 16 बॉल को कितने तरीके से बांट सकते हैं. फर्स्ट, we can divide these 16 balls to 16 persons or 1 into 16. If there are 16 persons, everyone will get one ball. This is the first way. Okay. Next, again we can divide these 16 balls with 2. Everyone will share 2 balls. So here are 2 balls of 8 group of 2 balls. मतलब ये हमने क्या किया, इस 16 बॉल को 2 के ग्रुप में बांट दिए. तो टोटल कितने ग्रुप बने हैं? देयर आर टोटल 8 ग्रुप्स. 2 into 8. This is the second way. Okay. Next, again we can divide these 16 balls into group of 4. Every group has 4 balls. And total how many groups are here? 1 group, second group, third group and fourth group. There are total 4 group of 4 balls. 4 into 4. Okay. Can we divide it in other way also except this? Yes. We can also divide in 2 different groups of 8 ball. पहले हमने क्या किया था, 2 बॉल के 8 ग्रुप थे, 2 balls 8 ग्रुप. Now here are 8 balls of 2 group. Means हमने अभी 8 बॉल करके 2 ग्रुप में बांट दिया. Both are same. But only difference is that first we have 8 group of 2 balls and now we have 2 group of 8 balls. So in all these ways we can divide the number 16. Okay. So what are them? First was 1 into 16, then 2 into 8, 4 into 4. So in this way we can divide number 16. So these all numbers 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These all numbers are called factors of 16. Okay. These all numbers are called factors of number 16. Because we can divide 16 objects in these ways. हम इस 16 को एक विभिन्न तरीकों से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 1 का डिवाइड 1 के ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, 2 के ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, 4, 8 और 16 के ग्रुप में भी डिवाइड किया जा सकता है. So 16 equal to 1 into 16, 2 into 8 and 4 into 4. In these different ways we can divide number 16. So these all numbers are 1, then 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These all numbers are called factors of number 16. Listen. 1, 2, 1, 2, 16, 8 and 4. These all numbers are factors of 16 here. यहाँ पे ये जो चारों नंबर है ये 16 के फैक्टर कहलाएंगे. ठीक है, ये फैक्टर नहीं है. इफ देयर इज ओनली नंबर 4, दिस इज नॉट ए फैक्टर. फैक्टर होने के लिए उसका एक क्या चाहिए? मल्टीपल. यदि कोई मल्टीपल नहीं है तो फैक्टर नहीं कहलाएगा. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यदि आपके पास केवल शुगर है तो आप उसको चाय नहीं बोलेंगे. जब तक कि आप इसको टी एंड वाटर के साथ मिक्स करके कुछ ड्रिंकिंग मटेरियल ना बना लें तब तक वो चाय नहीं बनेगा. जस्ट लाइक दैट, इफ देयर इज ओनली नंबर 4, वी कैन नॉट से आइदर इट इज मल्टीपल और फैक्टर. इफ दिस इज मल्टीपल, यदि ये मल्टीपल है तो इसके कोई फैक्टर्स होंगे लाइक 2 and 1, है ना. और यदि ये फैक्टर है तो किसका फैक्टर है, तो हम बोल सकते हैं 4 into 2 बराबर 8, दिस इज द फैक्टर ऑफ 8. इफ 4 into 3 बराबर 12, इट इज आल्सो द फैक्टर ऑफ 12. तो इस तरह से बोला जा सकता है कि यदि कोई एक सिंगल नंबर है तो यदि हम फैक्टर बोलेंगे तो उसका कोई मल्टीपल होगा, और यदि वो कोई मल्टीपल है तो उसका कोई ना कोई फैक्टर होगा. ठीक, ओके. लाइक दिस, how can we divide the number 40? 1 into 40, then 2 into 20, 4 into 10 and 5 into 8. In this different way we can divide number 40. So all these numbers, that means 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. These all numbers are factors of number 14, and number 40 is the multiple of 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 4 and 10 and 5 and 8. ओके, तो ये हमारा मल्टीपल है और ये फैक्टर्स हैं. क्लियर? You can see here 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. These all are factors of 40. Now this is the definition of factor. When two or more numbers are multiplied. For example, if we are just multiplying 2 into 3, that's product is 6. We can also multiply 2 into 3 into 5, that will be 30. So here we are multiplying only 2 numbers, but here we are multiplying 3 numbers. So this number is multiple and 2 and 3 are called factors. And also in this statement 30 is product, or also we can say multiple, and 2, 3 and 5 are factors of 30. Okay, 2, 3 and 5 are factors and 30 is multiple. So in this way we can say when 2 or more numbers are multiplied, then each number is a factor of the product. Okay, जैसे sugar is the factor of sweets. हम मिठाई खाते हैं, उसका फैक्टर है कौन सा? sugar is not the factor of rice. करेक्ट, राइस का तो फैक्टर नहीं है शुगर, लेकिन स्वीट्स का है, क्योंकि स्वीट्स में हम शुगर ऐड करते हैं. शुगर इज आल्सो द फैक्टर ऑफ टी. हम चाय बनाते हैं, उसमें भी शुगर डालते हैं. तो इस तरह से फैक्टर्स और मल्टीपल होते हैं. नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड. लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी फैक्टर्स of different numbers have. First, factor of 1. There is only one factor, that is 1. 2. There is two factor, 1 and 2. 1 has only one factor, 2 has two factor. Okay. Then 3 has also two factor, 4 has 3 factors, again 5 has 2 factor, 6 has 4 factors, again 7 has 2 factors, then 8 has also 4 factors, 9 has 3 factors and 10 has 4 factors. So in this list we can see some number has only 2 factors, where some other number has more than 2 factors. So in this way we can categorize the all numbers in two ways. One is prime number and second one is composite number. Okay, we can divide all the numbers in two ways. One is prime number and second one is composite number. So which are called prime number and which is called composite. So in this list, first number is 1, which has only one factor. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now let's see which number have only two factors. Let's see which number have only two factors, and that numbers are 2, this one 2 factor, 3 has also 2 factors, then 5 have also 2 factors, and 7. Between 1 to 10, these 4 numbers have only 2 factors. So these numbers are called prime number. Number which has only 2 factors. All natural number which has only 2 factors, that numbers are called prime number, and number which have more than 2 factors. Natural number which has more than 2 factors, those all numbers are called composite number. So in this list, number 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, these all numbers are composite number, because these all have more than 2 factors. Like 4 has 3 factors, 6 has 4 factors, 8 has also 4 factors, 9 has 3 factors, and 10 has also 4 factors. So these numbers are composite number, and rest other which has only 2 factors, that numbers are prime numbers. Okay. So here is the definition of prime numbers. Here is two different definition. A number that is divisible only by itself and 1. For example, if there is number 7, it is only divisible by 1 or 7. So what the definition is saying? A number that is divisible only by itself means 7 is first divisible by itself, means 7 is divisible by 7 and 1. So 7 has only 2 factors, it can divide only by 1 and itself. Like this, number 11, it can be also divided either by 11 or 1, means either by itself or 1. So 7, 11, 5, 3, 2, 13, these all numbers are called, these all numbers are called prime number. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. There are a lot of prime numbers. These all numbers have only 2 factors, and these all numbers are called prime number. And second definition is also a number that has only 2 factors. ऐसा नंबर जिसके केवल 2 फैक्टर होंगे वो कहलाएगा प्राइम नंबर. ठीक है. Let's see composite number. A composite number is a natural number which has more than 2 factors. A composite number is a natural number which has more than 2 factors. For example, 4, as you already seen, 4 has 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. Like 6 has 4 factors. Like 8 has also 4 factors, 1, 2 and 4 and 8. So these all numbers have more than 2 factors. So these numbers are called composite number. Okay. So in this way, you have learned about prime number and composite number. Okay. So some facts are here. Smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. Many times you failed to answer this. जब कहीं पे इंटरव्यू वगैरह होते रहता है तो वहाँ पे जल्दबाजी में हमसे कोई पूछते हैं व्हिच इज स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर, तो हम बोल देते हैं 1. बट यू नो दैट 1 इज नाइदर प्राइम नंबर नॉर कंपोजिट. तो कभी भी स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर में 1 को आंसर मत देना. ठीक है. स्मॉलेस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर दैट इज 4. A number which is neither prime nor composite, that is 1. Only even number that is prime, and that number is only even number that is prime, and that number is 2. Okay, so in this way you have learned about prime number and composite number. इसमें ये सबको आप अपने कॉपी में लिख लीजिए और अच्छा से इसको प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स मेक द फैक्टर ट्री. हम किसी भी नंबर्स का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मीन्स किसी भी नंबर का प्राइम फैक्टर के मल्टीप्लाई के रूप में कन्वर्ट करना. जैसे 4 को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, 4, 2 and 2. ओके, 2 and 2. So we can write here 4 equal to 2 and 2, and both these numbers are prime number. This is called prime factorization. 4 का हमने क्या लिखा, 2 into 2. That is prime factorization, मतलब किसी भी नंबर के प्राइम नंबर्स के मल्टीप्लाइकेशन के रूप में दिखाना. Let's take another example, 20. Okay, 20 को सबसे पहले हमने क्या लिखा, 4 into 5. ठीक है. फिर 4 को 4 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर, इट इज कंपोजिट, बट 5 इज प्राइम नंबर. तो यहाँ पे ये हम आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे बिकॉज इट इज प्राइम नंबर. अब 4 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर, सो वी हैव टू गो अहेड एंड वी कैन अगेन divide the number 4 into 2 into 2 because 2 into 2 equal to 4, and we know 2 and 2 are prime numbers. So for number 20 we can write this 2 into 2 into 5. This is called prime factorization of number 20. Okay, like this we can take any other number. Let's take a number 40. Let's make its a prime factorization, or let's make a factor tree of number 14. हम एकदम सिंपल भी बना सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 20 into 2, 22 are 40. तो ये फर्स्ट हो गया. नाउ लेट्स सी, हियर नंबर 2 इज प्राइम नंबर but 20 is not prime. So again we have to divide number 20 into 2 numbers, and we can divide this 10 into 2. Now this 2 is prime number, so we will leave it here and we will continue with number 10 because 10 is not a prime number. And for 10 we can write 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Now here we can see 5 and 2 both are prime number, so in this way it has finished the prime factorization, and now we can write 40 equal to last number of each line. हर लूप में जो लास्ट डिजिट है उसको हमको लेते जाना है. तो ये है आपका 5 multiply 2 multiply 2 and multiply 2. Okay, this is prime factorization of number 40. Clear? Let's like this find out the prime factorization of any other number like 60. Okay, तो 60 को अब फिर से लगते हैं हम लोग. How can we find the prime factorization? तो इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 30 into 2. 32s are 60. Now 2 is prime number, so we leave it here and we will continue with number 30. And for 30 we can write 15 into 2. Again here 2 is prime number, so we will continue with 15. And for 15 we can write 3 into 5. And we can write it's a prime factorization like 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. In this way 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 for 5 are 60. In this way it is the prime factorization of number 60. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आप लोग इसको पूरा कंप्लीट बना लीजिएगा। जहाँ पे भी समझ ना आए, जहाँ पे भी समझ में ना आए, आप अगले क्लास में पूछ सकते हैं। ओके, ठीक है फिर। ओके, थैंक यू एंड थैंक यू टू आल्सो गूगल। ओके, गुड बाय।